Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. iPhone 16 updated to the latest iOS and signed into your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Siri and search. Turn on Listen for Hey Siri, press Side button, and allow Siri when locked. Make sure Siri's language and voice match your preference so responses sound natural. You're not just toggling switches, you're enabling permissions that let Siri access contacts, calendars, and on-device intelligence for fast, contextual answers. Now customize Apple Intelligence within Settings so Siri can use on-device generative features. Open Intelligence in Siri and toggle assistive composition, summaries, and smart suggestions. Once enabled, grant per-app access for mail, messages, and photos so Siri can act on relevant content. Make sure focus-aware responses are set for your work and personal modes. That prevents interruptions. Train the voice model if prompted, and review privacy options so heavy processing stays local. And finally, practice with real tasks. Ask Siri to summarize an email, draft a reply, add a calendar event, or generate a quick reminder using context from apps. Use either the side button or the Hey Siri wake phrase. Make short follow-up queries to test conversational context. If responses seem off, clear Siri history and toggle the intelligence features off then on to retrain models. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the device and check microphone permissions before deeper resets to fix recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.